Imagine for a minute you've got Nadia and Angelo who have this incredible restaurant at the foothills of the Dolomites in Italy, and they just make the best gnocchi that the planet's ever seen. Their kids grow up and they go, Mum and Dad, I reckon we should sell this to other people. So now they're an artisanal company that makes beautiful gnocchi. And finally, two blokes, one in the South Island, one in the North Island, meet together in New Zealand and go, let's bring this to New Zealand for you. So 2 stores in Christchurch, one in Wellington, one in Auckland, or you can buy online. So if you're using a stainless steel pan, put a drop of water in, and once it's gliding over the pan, you know the pan's at the right temperature. Get rid of the water. Now turn the heat down a whisker and get some extra virgin olive oil in there. And let's cool it down quickly with the gnocchi, $10.90. And inside you've got the Nduja, which is the spreadable salami made from the pork cheek in the south of Italy with a special chili in there. And you might be wondering, why don't you boil them? They'll fall apart. In the pan is the way to go. When you've got stuffed gnocchi, they'll fall apart if you boil them. So in the pan. Whilst they're heating up, I've opened up this beautiful cherry tomato sauce, which is $6.90, so $7, $10.90 for the gnocchi. Dinner, right? Happy days. I'm going to put a little bit of basil on, a little Parmesan grated over the top. So once they've been in for a minute, start giving them a toss around, and we'll get that beautiful golden colour on top of them. And the ones that you don't toss, just flip them over. Been in here for about 2 minutes. Okay, I'm happy with the colour, so now I'm going to get in the tomato sauce. Oh. Turn the heat down a little bit. Oh, it smells good. So if you'd like a link so you can buy online, just comment finally. And why finally? Because I've been hanging out for this to arrive. I'm like a kid in a candy store. It's come all the way from Italy to be available in our shops in Christchurch, Wellington and Auckland. In Auckland it's in St John's and Takanini, but you can buy online, so just comment finally and I'll send you the link and the details of how to cook it, right? Oh, we've got a real life Italian that works for us.
It's from the Veneto region, near Venice, and the filling is from Calabria.
South of Italy. And it's a little bit spicy, there's a tiny little bit of ricotta in there to make it a little bit cheesy inside. Oh, it's going to be so good. And then, if you like, optional, a little Parmigiano Reggiano over the top, or Grana Padano. This is actually Grana Padano. Just a whisker, some basil leaves around if you got them. But there's basil in the sauce, so that's optional. If you'd like to order online instead of coming into one of our shops, comment finally. I'll send you the link. Looks delicious. Shall we have a taste?